Now let's start with fifth lesson, linear equations in two variables. Before we start with this lesson, let's revise some basic concepts related to this lesson. Now first we will try to understand the meaning of linear equation. Okay? Equation in which the variable has maximum degree 1. Degree of variable is 1. Then such equations are called as linear equations. Once again, the linear equations in which the degree of variable is 1, maximum index, degree of variable is 1, called as linear equations. For example, m plus 3 is equal to 5. This is equation. In this equation, this part is called as LHS equal to sign RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. And here one variable is there, m. And its maximum index is 1. So, this is linear equation. Linear equation. If I write 2p is equal to p plus 4 upon 9. Now, if I shift this p to LHS, 2p minus p is equal to 4 upon 9. 2p minus p is equal to p. P is equal to 4 upon 9. So here also the maximum index of p is 1. And this is the solution. This is the solution. If we try to solve this one, then therefore m is equal to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. So m is equal to 2 is the solution for this equation. So these are called as equations with one variable. Okay. Now the next thing is linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. I will directly give you example so it will be easy to understand. Example 3x plus 2y is equal to 13. So in this equation LHS, RHS in between equal to sign and two variables are there. Variable is x and y. These are two variables. So this is equation in two variables. Linear equation as maximum index is 1. Maximum index is 1. Another example, suppose 5m minus 3n is equal to 14. So here also two variables are there, m and n. Their maximum index is 1. That's why they are called as linear equation in two variables. Okay. So general format of this, general form of linear equation in two variables, general form of linear equation in two variables can be written as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A and B are coefficient of x and y. A and B are coefficient of x and y. Here the coefficient of x is 3 and that of y is 2. And this can be written as general form. General form मध्ये लिहायची असेल इक्वेशन आपण कशी लिहू शकतो? 3x plus 2y minus 13 is equal to 0. This is the general form. हा c आपण इकडे पण टाकू शकतो. हा constant number आहे. This is the constant number. Okay. Here a, b, c are the real numbers. A, b, c are the real numbers, but a should not be equal to 0 and b also should not be equal to 0. A and b, they should not be equal to 0. A, b, c are real numbers, but a should not be equal to 0, b should not be equal to 0. कारण सपोज असं इमॅजिन करा की इथे जर 0 असेल तर 0x म्हणजे काय झालं ते 0. म्हणजे हा व्हेरिएबल निघूनच जातो ना. So we can't say that this is the equation with two variables. So a should not be equal to 0, same way b should not be equal to 0. So this is regarding linear equation. The next is to solve the linear equations. To solve the linear equations simultaneously, म्हणजे दोन इक्वेशन्स एकाच वेळेस आपण सॉल्व करायचे आहेत आणि अशा व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड आउट करायच्या दॅट विल सॅटिस्फाय both the equations. Okay, now we will directly solve one example so you will understand it better. X plus y is equal to 4 and another equation given is 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. This is second equation. And we have to solve this simultaneous equation. Simultaneous म्हणजे आपण एकाच वेळेस सॉल्व करायचे आहेत हे इक्वेशन आणि x आणि y च्या अशा व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड आउट करायच्या आहेत that will satisfy both the equations. Once again, simultaneously we have to solve both the equations and we have to find the value of x and y such a way that they will satisfy both the equations. Now these two equations can be solved by different methods. So the first method that today I am going to teach you is substitution method. Okay, so what we are going to use? We are going to use substitution method. We are going to solve this by substitution method. I will prefer to make changes in equation 1 because here the equation 1 variable they have coefficient 1. So x plus y is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 minus y. हा y RHS ला शिफ्ट केल्यावर तो मायनस होतो. So 4 minus y, x is equal to 4 minus y. And this value I will substitute in equation 1. In equation 2. I have made changes in equation 1. So that changes I will put in equation 2. Equation 1 काय होती? x plus y is equal to 4. x is equal to 4 minus y. y तिकडे मी ढकलला. ओके, मग आता ही जी x ची व्हॅल्यू आहे ना ती इक्वेशन सेकंड मध्ये मी सबस्टिट्यूट करते. दॅट्स वाय दिस इज कॉल्ड एज substitution method. Substituting x is equal to 4 minus y in equation 2. Substituting x is equal to 4 minus y in equation 2. मग आता इक्वेशन 2 काय आहे? 2x. तर x च्या ठिकाणी मी काय सबस्टिट्यूट करते? 4 minus y. Minus 5y as it is equal to 1. पुन्हा लक्षात घ्या, मी x ची जी व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केली इक्वेशन 1 मधली ती मी सबस्टिट्यूट करते इक्वेशन 2 मध्ये. 2x आहे तर x च्या ठिकाणी मी काय लिहिलंय? 4 minus y. Minus 5y is equal to 1 as it is. Now multiply the bracket by 2. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 into y minus 2y minus 5y is equal to 1. Therefore 8 minus 2y minus 5y minus 7y. Same sign sum 1. Therefore minus 7y as it is. Okay, minus 7y as it is and this 8 I will shift to RHS 1 minus 8. Therefore minus 7y is equal to minus 7. Therefore y is equal to minus 7 upon minus 7 y is equal to 1. म्हणजे मला y ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळाली आहे? 1 by solving these two equations. Okay, now x बाकी आहे अजून. तर आता y is equal to 1 ही व्हॅल्यू आपण याच्यातच घालू. x is equal to 4 minus y. या दोन इक्वेशनमध्ये टाकली तरी चालणार आहे फर्स्ट इक्वेशनमध्ये, पण हा जास्त इझी आहे. दॅट एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4 मायनस वाय. तर तिथे मी सबस्टिट्यूट करते वायची व्हॅल्यू. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप, सबस्टिट्यूटिंग y is equal to 1 in x is equal to 4 minus y. Therefore, x is equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Therefore, answer x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. असं लिहिलं तरी चालतं किंवा असं लिहिलं तरी चालतं. और आन्सर लिहायची दुसरी पद्धत सांगते. 3,1 आधी नेहमी एक्स लिहायचा, ऑलवेज एक्स. 3,1 इज द सोल्युशन ऑफ गिव्हन इक्वेशन्स. एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 3 मिळाली, वायची व्हॅल्यू 1. आणि आपण टॅली करूयात. टॅली कसं करायचं, याची व्हॅल्यू 3 आणि 1 आहे. 3 + 1 4, टॅली झालं. इथे टॅली कसं करायचं आहे, एक्सची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळाली आपल्याला 3, मग 3 2 जा 6 आणि 5 × 1 5, 6 - 5 1. हे मी टॅली केलं की आपला आन्सर बरोबर आहे का. म्हणजे एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3, वाय इज इक्वल टू 1. इट सॅटिस्फाय बोथ दिस इक्वेशन. इट इज अ सोल्युशन फॉर दिस बोथ द इक्वेशन. ओके, so this way we can solve simultaneous equations by substitution method.